You don't need money or experience to start your animation. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to start your animation using free tools, something like this.
For the first time in a very long time, my mother sang happily while cooking as I watched from behind.
God provides.
Same pattern repeated. Cars, bars, hotels, envelopes, whispering neighbors as my voice went silent.
For your services.
Such a shame.
I stared at myself in the mirror, unable to recognize who I have become, praying and wishing all this can stop, but it was taking forever.
Mama, are you alright?
Hi, my name is Angela. I create animation stories using free tools. This is my first tutorial and I'm going to keep it short. This is where we are going to generate our story. We are generating our story at ChatGPT. You generate your story and then you copy it to your color note. Copy it to your color note. Here you are going to save your story, the camera angle, and the conversation between your characters. After that, we're going to be creating the images. You go to your ChatGPT again to create your images. Remember, you have to go back to your notes to copy the particular character you want to use. Once you get to ChatGPT, all you need to do is to paste what you copy from your color note. After you must have pasted it, the next thing you're going to do is to generate your image. But before then, you're going to tell him what you want him to generate. So this is what I want, and then I'm telling it to generate an image of this particular scene, an image that will suit this particular scene, and the image should be in 3D pixel style. Another thing I want you to take note is the number. It should be in 1024 by 1024. That is the size of the image I want. Then I'll just click on generate and I'll wait for some while for it to generate. Like I said, for the sake of the tutorial, I'm not going to forward anything. I'm going to leave it so you see the step by step on how to generate it. Now, images from ChatGPT is the best. It used to come out with the perfect quality, as you can see. You see how clear it is, and it gives us all the details. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to click on download, and then I will download it to my phone. And that's what I want for that one. And if I want to create another one, is to add image. If I want to add an image right now, it's for me to just go through my phone and then pick the photo I want to use. I'll pick a particular photo I want to use. So going through my phone, I want to use this young man. So I'm going to just go and click on his image. So I'll click on his image. That's what I want to use. Once I click on the image, it will take me back to ChatGPT. Now, don't forget, my prompt is already in color note, so I don't waste time. I just go there, copy my prompt, and then I will say they should use this particular picture as the character in this scene. This is what I want the young man to do. This is how I want him to stay. But I'm giving them that they should use this particular picture. So you can give them any particular picture and tell them what to do with the picture. Remember the size, and images from ChatGPT is the best. The quality are okay. But one thing about ChatGPT is that you cannot generate plenty images. So if you want to be like me, you can add a lot of people in Gmail, your family members email actually.
on your phone. Remember, any email is limited from generating images. You will log in another email again. So that's how we generate image. If you have any question or anything you don't understand, you can just reach out to me.
To just watch. Don't forget to like, click on the subscription button so you will be notified whenever I post a video. See you in a minute.